Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my short YouTubes where I tell you the truth. I get in and out of the situation so you know exactly what's going on. I've worked a decade at the IRS. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I'm sorry I have to go over this all the time, but somebody just may listen to one video. I hate to say this as much as you hate to listen to it. But anyway, I've been on the national news 10 times. I wasn't arrested. They interview me for my IRS knowledge. I just wrote a book called IRS Settlements on Amazon, but I'm not pushing the book. I swear I'm not pushing the book. I swear I'm not pushing the book. Anyway, let me tell you how IRS works cases. You need to know this. People have no idea when they owe IRS debt what the format is. So I'm trying to give everyone just a 2-minute synopsis of what's going on. When you owe IRS a debt, it gets put on the IRS CADE-2 computer system, CADE-2. It's huge. Matt, can you imagine the sizes? There's at least 200 million tax returns and sets of information on there. So you generate what's called a TC-150 code. It's the date of the assessment. It's the day IRS actually takes your tax return and puts it on a bill. And then they start the collection notice. No one has your case. No person is officially working your case. No one is working your case. Nobody. It's in the system. They send out an LT-14, a CP-501, a CP-503, a CP-504. Each one of these notices are 6 cycles or 6 weeks apart. So by the time we got to the CP-504, you're at least 3 months into the process, but now the bills get nastier, the computer's language gets a little tougher. The CP-504 comes certified, and then after that you get the LT-11, or the 1058, which means that, boom, you can file a collection due process. Many times you want to, but there are other times you say, just let me get the case closed right now. You can pick up the phone and stop the IRS collection action just by picking up the phone and calling them. But this is the key. This is the key. Unless you know what the hell they're going to do when they pick up the phone, don't call them. Now, I will tell you this. If you don't owe a lot of money, you got a small debt, pick up the phone. You're not going to hurt yourself. More than likely, if you're just week to week, month to month, they're going to put you in currently non-collectible. But if you owe a larger debt, be prepared to give IRS a financial statement, and then that financial statement is going to determine the outcome of your relationship with IRS. If you have a large debt, please don't make that call unless you know what's going on. If not, you're going to wind up with a large payment agreement. Anyway, if you need me, call me. But that is the collection process. Series of 5 notices: final notice, certified, financial statement, decision by IRS. Have a good one. If you have questions, call me. Thank you. By the way, I do only work large cases. Thank you.